Hello and welcome back to the next video. So what we're going to be doing today is we're just going to be showing you how to actually open up a brokerage. So the one we're going to use in this example is going to be TD Ameritrade. And so if you just go to Google and you just type in TD Ameritrade, it should be the first one to show up. And then what you're going to do is just go here, TD Ameritrade, online stock trading. And so the reason why I'm picking TD Ameritrade is because I already have a TD Ameritrade account. And so in the following videos, we're going to be doing examples from TD Ameritrade. So it'll just be easier. But you can definitely, again, use any of the trusted brokers, TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, Tastyworks. These are all good options. So what you're going to do is after you come onto this homepage, what you're going to do is you're going to see this open new account. So you're going to go ahead and click that. And then after it loads, you're just going to really just pick the individual. All of these are more just for retirement, so you don't have to worry about those. So go ahead and just click individual and then go ahead and open individual account. So if you're going to open it up on any other brokerage, it's the same process. You're just going to pick the individual account, fill in all the information. So you could go ahead and fill up all your information here. Just click here after you read the statement, and then you continue to the personal application. And then once you're through and you enter everything, you should get a response saying that you're approved, or you'll get an email after they review all your information. So it's just basic. They'll do the contact information, personal information, financial information. They'll review it, you sign the agreement, and then you'll make your user ID and security, and then you'll be ready to go. And then after you make your account, what you're gonna do is you could go back to Google. So what you're gonna actually use is you're gonna use Thinkorswim. And so if you go ahead and Google Thinkorswim, so Thinkorswim is actually the platform to trade. And so when you open it up, it's actually going to look like this. And you could go here first too, because if you open the new account, so let me see. So if you go ahead and open it and you put in a new tab, it should take you to the same page as the first one where you open the individual account that we just did. So you can either go through Thinkorswim and open the account, or just go to TD Ameritrade. It's the same thing. So Thinkorswim is just the trading platform for TD Ameritrade. So once you get onto this page, it should look like this. And then what you're going to do is on this left side, right here, you should see Thinkorswim trading platforms. And what you want to do is you're going to click the Thinkorswim desktop, because you want to install this onto your computer. You can definitely, they have a web version and they have a mobile. You're going to just be limited on how much you can actually do on the web or on the mobile. So you're going to need the desktop for charting and other things you're going to need down the road. So after you go ahead and click Thinkorswim, after you do open new account, you should have the account, or you just download now. So after, again, you download now, it's going to ask you the questions. Go ahead and allow, and then if there's any forms or anything, you can fill out. And then, so again, if you have any questions, hopefully this was helpful, and we will just see you on the next time. Thank you.